Hello friends! Today I wanted to post a video of an activity that I love doing in class whenever we learn about shapes. So I wanted to send this to you guys. So if you want to, you can do this at home. It's just a fun little thing we like to do to practice our shapes. So the very first thing I want to do is review this word polygon. Remember, a polygon is any closed shape with 3 or more sides. So it could be triangles, it could be a rhombus, it could be a pentagon. It could be shapes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, or another shape with 6 sides, or a shape with 4 sides. So any shape that is 3 or more sides, that is closed. Just want to review that word. It's kind of a tough one. Now the activity I want to do today, I'm going to use toothpicks and gummies. So if you have anything at home that is kind of similar to gummies, maybe you don't have gummies but you have mini marshmallows or jelly beans, you could use those. Toothpicks are probably the most helpful things you can use. But if not, you could use a pencil and draw lines. It's not quite the same with that, so I would definitely suggest toothpicks. Okay, so I'm going to open up my gummies. I'm going to resist the urge to eat my gummies. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my gummies and my toothpicks to build, first I'm going to build 2D shapes. So the very first shape I'm going to try to build is I'm going to try to build a triangle. So I have a triangle. And I'm going to take my gummy and I'm going to stick my toothpick in there, real careful. Then I'm going to take another toothpick. Remember, a triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. So I should only have 3 gummies and 3 toothpicks. So my gummies are going to represent my vertices and my toothpicks are going to represent my sides. So I'm going to take another gummy, another toothpick. So now I have 3 toothpicks, so I don't need any more toothpicks. And I need 1 more gummy. Voila! I have made a triangle. And I know it's a triangle because it has 3 gummies for 3 vertices and it has 3 toothpicks for 3 sides. So my challenge to you is if you want to try to make the rest of our 2D shapes, we have triangles, we have quadrilaterals, which are any shapes with 4 sides, so these are also known as polygons. We have pentagons, which are any shape with 5 sides. We have hexagons, which are any shape with 6 sides, and we have octagons, which are any shape, octagons, which are any shape with 8 sides. So these are all of our 2D shapes. Okay, so that's my challenge to you. Now this week we've also learned how to make 3D shapes. So I'm going to try to make a 3D shape. I might have to open my second pack of gummies for this. So the first shape I'm going to try is a cube. Okay, so I know that a cube has 8 vertices. So let me see if I have 8 gummies. Oh, perfect, I have 8 gummies. And I know that it has 8 faces and 12 edges. So remember, 3D shapes are different. They have faces, vertices. 2D shapes also have vertices. And they have edges where the faces meet. So I'm going to open up this one. Wait, I don't need these. Sorry. Okay, so I'm going to connect my first bottom using my toothpicks. This gets a little sticky, which is why I put a piece of paper or a napkin underneath it. I'm definitely going to need to wash my hands after this. I probably won't want to eat these. Alright, so here's my base of my cube. Now I'm going to just stick toothpicks in the gummies again. So I'm needing to use more toothpicks than gummies for this. So then I'm going to stick on my gummies to the tops of these toothpicks now. And now I'm going to attach my top gummies with their top edges. Now there's some shapes you probably can't make. I cannot make a sphere because I can't make a round shape, but I can make most shapes that have flat surfaces and no curved surfaces. So here I've made kind of a little bit of a wonky cube, but you can see my cube. Alright, so my challenge to you is, if you want to, try to make some other 3D shapes. We have pyramids, we have rectangular prisms, what else do we have that you could maybe do? You can't do a sphere and you can't do a cylinder. So my challenge to you is to try these ones. Alright, have fun!